Very good morning to plus 2 students. Students, we are doing current electricity, in which we have completed what are conductors, semiconductor, insulators, what we mean by drift velocity, relation between current and drift velocity also we have done. In our previous lecture we were discussing about Ohm's law and its limitations. Failures of Ohm's law we have completed. Now today we will do combination of resistors. This topic you have already completed in your class 10th also, so it's included in our plus 2 syllabus also. Combination of resistors. So as you know, resistors can be combined in two possible ways, in series and in parallel. Okay, so these both combinations we will do, and we will find the formula for equivalent resistance when some resistors are connected in series or they are connected in parallel. So first of all, let these three resistors are connected in series, connected to a supply potential difference of V volt. These three resistors are R1, R2 and R3. Total potential is V. Now we know that in series current remains same and potential remain different, and in parallel combination potential remains same, current will be different. ये बात आपको ध्यान रखनी है, as we have used this property in capacitor combinations also. Now for parallel combination, these three resistors are connected in parallel and with a combined potential of V volt. Same three resistors R1, R2 and R3. अब स्टूडेंट्स हमें एक बात का ध्यान रखना है यहाँ पर कि हम एक्सप्रेशन वहाँ से स्टार्ट करेंगे जो चीज़ डिफरेंट होगा, जो टर्म डिफरेंट होगा. अब डिफरेंट कौन है सीरीज़ में डिफरेंट है पोटेंशियल. तो पोटेंशियल जो है डिफरेंट चलना है, तो सपोज R1 के अक्रॉस पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस इज़ V1, R2 के अक्रॉस है V2 एंड R3 के अक्रॉस है V3. That means this total potential is divided into three parts, V1 plus V2 plus V3. Using Ohm's law, we can write V1 is equal to IR1, V2 is equal to IR2 and similarly IR3, and this total V can be written as I into R for the series combination, equivalent resistance of this combination. टेकिंग आई कॉमन ऑन द राइट हैंड साइड. आई हमने कॉमन क्यों लिया, आई सेम क्यों लिया, I1, I2, I3 नहीं लिया, बिकॉज आई इज सेम इन ऑल थ्री रेजिस्टर्स ड्यू टू देयर सीरीज कॉम्बिनेशन. सीरीज में करंट सेम चलता है तो हमने सेम करंट ले लिया. Similarly, I into RS, I to I is cancelled, so RS becomes R1 plus R2 plus R3. This is the formula for equivalent resistance if three resistors are connected in series, or if more number of resistors are connected in series, then addition of all the resistors will be the value of equivalent resistance. Similarly, if these resistors are connected in parallel and total potential supply is V, then what will be the different? Current will be different. Potential same चलता है, current will be different in the parallel combination. So supposing R1 के अक्रॉस गया I1, R2 के अक्रॉस गया I2 and R3 के अक्रॉस गया I3. Total current is I. Derived from the battery, total current is I. That means this total current is divided into three parts, I1 plus I2 plus I3. Using Ohm's law, I1 can be written as V by R1, V by R2, V by R3, as V is equal to IR, and this total current can be written as V by RP for the parallel combination. V is equal to IR, so I can be written as V by R. So V by R1, V by R2, V by RP for the parallel combination. Taking V common on the right hand side, we get this. That means V to V is cancelled. So 1 by R for the parallel combination becomes this formula. That means reciprocal of the equivalent resistance of parallel combination is equal to sum of the reciprocals of individual resistors. ओके और एक बात यहाँ पर आपको याद रही, फॉर्मूलाज आपको दोनों ही लर्न रहने चाहिए, आइदर इट इज़ ऑफ सीरीज और इट इज़ ऑफ पैरेलल. For numerical formulas, for numericals we will use some short trick formulas we will use, like अगर हमें ग्रेटेस्ट रेजिस्टेंस चाहिए, इफ़ वी हैव नंबर ऑफ रेजिस्टर्स एंड वी वांट द ग्रेटेस्ट रेजिस्टेंस इन ए सर्किट, तो ग्रेटेस्ट रेजिस्टेंस कब होगा, लार्जेस्ट वैल्यू कब आएगा, इफ़ वी कनेक्ट दैम इन सीरीज, because it will be addition of all the resistors. Similarly, if we want the resistance of the circuit should be smallest, minimum resistance कब आएगा, when they are connected in parallel. Parallel में जो equivalent resistance आता है RP, that will be the least value, that will be less value than the least value of these resistors. जैसे हमारे पास suppose we have three resistors 2, 4 and 6 ohm, we have 3 resistors, then in series combination जो result आएगा that will be greater than the greatest value, and in parallel combination equivalent resistance will be less than the least value, सबसे छोटी वैल्यू से भी छोटा हो जाएगा if we connect them in parallel, and greatest वैल्यू से भी बड़ा हो जाएगा if we connect them in series. Okay, now next is if we connect similar values, same value के resistors हैं, same resistors are there, means suppose R number of resistors are there, equal value के resistors हैं and we have n number of resistors, then the series combination का equivalent resistance जो आएगा that will be equal to this value into number of resistors, and for parallel combination result will be this value upon their number. Suppose we have 5 resistors each of value 2 ohm, we have 5 resistors each of value 2 ohm, then the series combination equivalent resistance will become 2 into 5 10 ohm, and for the parallel combination it will become 2 by 5, that means 0.4 ohm. Like this we will solve it. Similarly this will be the short trick method, simple we will use. And also if we have two resistors R1 and R2, then instead of using this reciprocal formula we can solve it simply. RP will become R1 R2 upon R1 plus R2, दो resistors का product divided by दोनों का sum. Like this we will solve numerical problems. For example, we have two resistors 3 ohm and 5 ohm and we have connected them in parallel, then parallel combination का जो equivalent resistance आएगा that will be equal to 3 into 5 divided by 3 plus 5, that means 15 by 8 ohm. Like this मीन्स हमें रेसिप्रोकल 1/3 1/5 करके 1/RP मिलता है, देन वी कैलकुलेट RP, उनका फिर से रिजल्ट का रेसिप्रोकल करना पड़ता है. इंस्टेड ऑफ यूजिंग दिस लॉन्ग प्रोसीजर वी विल यूज़ दिस शॉर्ट मेथड कि दो रेजिस्टर्स का अगर हमें इक्विवेलेंट रेजिस्टेंस निकालना है इन केस ऑफ पैरेलल कॉम्बिनेशन, देन मल्टीप्लाइंग बोथ द रेजिस्टर्स डिवाइडेड बाय सम ऑफ दीज बोथ द रेजिस्टर्स वी विल यूज़ दिस फार्मूला. Okay students, try for such numericals. Combinations are very easy, you have to just remember these formulas. Okay, thank you.